Hey, Todd Ault here, 30-year-plus Wall Street veteran, laying down some more golden words of wisdom. Hey, here's a quiz for you. What famous rapper said, if you've got enemies, good, that means you stood up for something? Answer? Eminem. I think his point is, anyone who has a point of view and sticks to it will make enemies. That doesn't mean try to piss people off. But it does mean if you try to stick to your vision, you're going to ruffle a few feathers. Understanding that and knowing how to keep a clear perspective when others disagree with you, that's what makes a real leader. Look, if everyone around you agrees with you, you're probably doing something wrong. Maybe you're not pushing your team or yourself to do better. But for many, growth won't be pretty. Hey, that's okay too, because a great leader is going to understand these opportunities to coach his team into uncharted waters. A great leader knows how to turn growing pains into growing gains. If you commit to be open and learn to embrace those uncomfortable moments when your perspective is being challenged, you will not only prove yourself to be a leader worthy of your team's respect, but you'll see tangible results. So don't be afraid to ruffle a few feathers. You're likely on the path to success. I've given you gold. Now run with it.